If you're tired of lost keys falling into seat gaps, groceries rolling in the trunk, kids' toys scattered everywhere, or constantly digging for sunglasses, tissues, or chargers while driving, today we're finally fixing that for good. These are 18 genius car organizers on Amazon that turn your ride into a tidy, efficient, clutter-free space. Clever pockets, hidden compartments, hanging systems, gap fillers, and so much more. These are all top-rated, highly reviewed picks that actually deliver real results in everyday driving, family errands, and road trips. Stick around until the end for an absolute must-have for every modern car owner who wants a cleaner, more functional interior. Let's jump right in. Order number 1, Car Ceiling Cargo Net Pocket Overhead Genius Storage. This car ceiling cargo net pocket, stretchy mesh or elastic models, mount securely to the roofliner or headliner with strong hooks or adhesive strips to create extra overhead space for lightweight items like jackets, blankets, umbrellas, hats, scarves, small bags, maps, or travel pillows that would otherwise clutter seats, floors, or trunk during drives. Stretchy net holds things firmly without sagging or falling. Easy no-tool install and removal when not needed. Reviewers love how it frees up back seat and trunk space dramatically, keeps items accessible yet completely out of the way, prevents loose objects from flying around during braking or turns, and is perfect for families, commuters, or anyone who wants a cleaner cabin without sacrificing headroom or creating visual distractions while driving. Number 2, Headrest Backseat Cup Holder Rear Passenger Convenience. This headrest mounted cup holder attaches firmly and securely to front seat headrest posts with expandable arms or adjustable clips to hold bottles, cups, tumblers, cans, or travel mugs for backseat passengers without spilling. Spill-resistant design with deep holders, adjustable fit for different sizes. Great for kids, adults, or long trips with drinks. Reviewers say it prevents annoying spills on seats, carpets, or floors, keeps drinks accessible without reaching forward awkwardly, makes school runs, road trips, family drives, or commutes mess-free, comfortable, and much more convenient for everyone in the back. And adds a simple yet highly practical upgrade to rear passenger comfort. Number 3, Glove Box Organizer. Tidy Glove Box Essentials. This insert tray or multi-pocket pouch organizes insurance cards, vehicle manuals, registration papers, pens, napkins, sunglasses, tire pressure gauge, small first aid items, USB cables, toll tickets, or emergency contacts so nothing flies out or gets lost when opened. Accordion style or expandable designs maximize the limited glove box space. Clear pockets or labeled slots for easy visibility and quick access. Simple drop-in fit, no tools or adhesive required. Reviewers say it stops the classic everything falls out problem, makes finding documents fast during police stops, maintenance checks, or tolls, turns a messy catch-all into a neat professional storage spot. And adds a noticeable level of organization inside the car for smoother daily drives. Number 4, Foldable Trunk Organizer Trunk Chaos Solver. This foldable trunk organizer collapses completely flat for easy storage when not needed, but expands into sturdy multi-compartment sections with adjustable dividers to separate groceries, sports gear, tools, emergency kits, shopping bags, or kids' toys without anything shifting during turns, sudden stops, or bumpy roads. Non-slip bottom base prevents sliding. Built-in carry handles make loading, unloading simple, and side pockets hold smaller items like wipes, cables, or gloves securely. Waterproof heavy-duty fabric resists spills and wear, perfect for SUVs, sedans, or hatchbacks to stop mess from rolling around and keep your trunk looking neat even after heavy shopping, sports events, and your family outings. Reviewers rave about how it maximizes every inch of trunk space, saves time at the store, and makes errands or trips way less chaotic and frustrating. Number 5, Backseat Hanging Organizer Kid and Passenger Organizer Supreme. This backseat hanging pocket system with built-in tablet holder, dual cup holders, large mesh pockets, zippered compartments, and headphone slots attaches securely to the back of front seat headrests or seats to keep toys, snacks, water bottles, books, tablets, coloring books, crayons, small games, or travel essentials neatly organized and easily accessible for rear passengers of all ages. Adjustable straps ensure a perfect fit on any car seat, size, or type. Durable, wipe-clean fabric handles spills, daily rough use, and frequent handling by kids. Great for long road trips, school runs, also family vacations, or daily commutes. Parents repeatedly say it dramatically reduces "I'm bored" complaints, minimizes fighting over items, keeps the backseat floor completely clear of clutter, makes every journey far more peaceful, enjoyable, and stress-free for the entire family. Number 6. Seat Storage Hanging Bag. Versatile hanging storage. This multi-pocket hanging bag hooks securely and quickly onto seat backs or headrest posts with a large main compartment plus several side pockets and elastic holders perfect for water bottles, magazines, newspapers, toys, tablets, snacks, sunglasses, maps, or essential travel items you want within easy reach during drives. Collapsible design folds completely flat when not in use for compact storage. Tough, tear-resistant fabric withstands heavy daily use. Kids' rough handling, and occasional spills without tearing. Keeps loose items completely off floors, seats, and footwells. Ideal for families with children, daily commuters juggling work bags, rideshare drivers, or anyone who wants quick access without constantly cluttering the cabin or creating tripping hazards on the floor. Number 7. Door Organizer Tray Door Pocket Upgrade. This practical tray or pouch fits neatly into side door panels with dedicated compartments and elastic holders for water bottles, umbrellas, folded maps, sunglasses, parking cards, toll tickets, small tools, phone chargers, or other frequently used items so they don't roll around, get crushed, or disappear under seats during turns or stops. Waterproof, durable material resists spills, and easy to wipe clean. Simple clip, adhesive, or slide-in installation with no permanent changes or damage to the door interior. Stops clutter from spilling onto floors or getting lost. Reviewers consistently say it makes door pockets functional again, keeps the whole car looking significantly tidier, provides convenient at-hand storage that improves daily driving comfort, and adds a small but noticeable level of organization to every trip you take. Number 8. Trash can with storage pockets. Stay garbage-free. This leak-proof hanging or collapsible car trash can, with secure lid and removable inner liner, attaches conveniently to seat back, console, or headrest and includes extra side pockets for tissues, wipes, sanitizer, small trash bags, air fresheners, or hand lotion. Zippered or flip-top prevents odors, spills, and mess from escaping. The compact design folds flat when empty for easy storage. Reviewers love how it stops wrappers, cups, fast food bags, crumbs from piling up on floors or seats. Keeps the interior fresh, hygienic, easy to clean after kids, fast food runs, long trips, or daily commutes, and maintains a clean, organized cabin appearance effortlessly, even after hours of snacking on the road. Number 9. Car phone holder stable phone mounting. This vent/dash/air vent phone holder, adjustable arms, clip, or magnetic styles, holds phones securely on bumpy roads, sharp turns, or sudden stops with 360-degree rotation for ideal navigation or call viewing angles. One-hand snap-on/off access, keeps GPS visible, hands-free, and safe. Reviewers praise the strong grip, easy install, versatility across devices, and how it makes driving safer without holding phone in hand or risking tickets for distracted driving, especially during long commutes or unfamiliar routes. Number 10. Headrest Tablet Holder Entertainment on Demand. This adjustable headrest tablet holder mounts firmly and safely on front seat. Headrest posts to securely hold tablets or large phones for kids' movies, animated shows, educational games, ebooks, audiobooks, or backseat navigation and maps during long drives, family road trips, or daily school commutes. Features strong adjustable straps for a tight fit, full 360-degree rotation, multi-angle tilt adjustment for the best viewing position, and compatibility with most 7 to 11-inch devices including iPads and Android tablets. Makes extended journeys peaceful and enjoyable. Parents absolutely love how it reduces sibling fighting, whining, and boredom. Keeps kids safely occupied without handheld use, prevents constant reaching or dropping devices, and turns back seat time into productive or relaxing entertainment for everyone. Number 11. Center Console Organizer Tray Tame Console Clutter. This custom fit or universal center console organizer tray drops right into your existing console with dedicated slots for coins, pens, business cards, sunglasses, key fobs, earbuds, lip balm, or small chargers so nothing rattles, gets lost, or slides around. Anti-slip silicone base keeps everything secured during sharp turns or bumpy roads. Many have removable dividers for custom layouts and easy cleaning. Fits popular models like Honda, Toyota, Ford, and more. Quick install, no adhesive needed. Reviewers call it a total game changer for quick access without digging through clutter. Allbird reduces distractions while driving, makes the console feel like a well-organized mini office on wheels, and improves overall cabin neatness dramatically. Number 12, Visor Organizer Pockets. Essentials up front, this Visor Pocket Organizer, PU leather, fabric, or clear PVC styles. Clips securely onto the sun visor with multiple elastic slots, zippered pockets, and sleeves for sunglasses, parking passes, toll tickets, credit cards, pens, insurance docs, small phones, or notes. Magnetic or snap closure keeps content secure during visor flips. Slim profile doesn't block driver view or cause glare. Handy for toll roads, drive-thrus, parking garages, or daily commutes. Reviewers say it eliminates rummaging through glove box or console, keeps important items organized, easy to grab while driving, and adds a smart to clutter-free touch to the front cabin area. Number 13, Underseat Storage Box, Hidden Storage Goldmine. This collapsible underseat storage box slides smoothly under front seats to stash toys, blankets, extra shoes, jumper cables, first aid kits, winter gear, or emergency supplies, completely out of sight but always accessible when needed. Pull-out handle and side straps keep it secure during drives. Internal dividers and mesh pockets organize smaller items neatly. Fits most sedans and SUVs with adjustable height options. Quick install, no permanent modifications required. Families especially love how it clears back seats for passengers, keeps clutter hidden from view, makes long trips more comfortable and organized, and maximizes unused space under seats effectively. Number 14, Car Clothes Hanger Bar. Hang clothes wrinkle-free. This car clothes hanger bar, extendable rod or telescoping design, mounts between headrests or hooks securely to create a hanging rod for jackets, suits, dresses, uniforms, or coats during commutes, work trips, or events. Adjustable length fits most cars. Sturdy construction supports multiple garments without sagging. Keeps clothes neat/off seats. Reviewers love wrinkle-free arrivals at meetings or events. Convenience for work clothes or formal outfits. How it frees up backseat space, prevents clothes from wrinkling or getting dirty, and adds a professional touch to daily or business driving. Number 15. Purse handbag holder secure purse storage. This purse/handbag holder, hook, clip, or magnetic style attaches to seat back, headrest, or console to hold purses, bags, totes, on, or diaper bags off the floor/passenger seat safely. Anti-slip grips prevent sliding or tipping. Adjustable for different bag sizes. Reviewers say it prevents spills from tipping bags, keeps floors clear, reduces theft risk by keeping bags visible yet secure, makes driving more comfortable without bag on lap or floor, and adds organization for women, parents, or anyone carrying handbags daily. Number 16, Seat Gap Filler Organizer Gap Filler plus Storage Combo. This upgraded seat gap filler not only effectively blocks phones, keys, coins, snacks, lip balm, and other small items from falling into the annoying cracks between seats and console or door, but also adds clever built-in pockets, hooks, or small trays right at seat level for holding pens, credit cards, charging cables, air fresheners, parking tickets, or even sunglasses securely within easy reach. Made from soft, flexible foam or durable silicone material that fits snugly without leaving any gaps. Super easy slide-in installation with no tools required and no damage to upholstery. Number 17, Backseat Car Organizer Rear Seat Storage Hero. This backseat organizer, with multiple pockets, cup holders, tablet sleeve, and zippered sections, hangs securely on front seats to hold snacks, toys, books, tablets, water bottles, coloring books, or travel items for rear passengers. Adjustable straps fit any car. Durable fabric resists tears and wipes clean easily. Great for families, road trips, or school runs. Reviewers say it keeps backseat tidy, reduces boredom complaints, prevents floor clutter, makes rear passengers comfortable/entertained. 1. Eliminates constant reaching forward or mess in the back area, and adds smart storage for a more pleasant ride. Number 18. Headrest Hook. Hang bags or jackets safely. These sturdy headrest hooks, 4-pack, S-type, swivel, or foldable designs, clip securely onto front seat headrest posts to hold purses, grocery bags, backpacks, umbrellas, jackets, kids' school bags, or shopping totes off the floor and out of the way. No drilling, no tools, just clip on in seconds. Universal fit for almost all cars and SUVs, prevents spills from tipping bags, keeps floors clear for passengers, stops items from sliding during braking or turns. Drivers love how it makes errands, school runs, grocery trips, or airport pickups cleaner, more convenient, organized, and hassle-free without sacrificing legroom or causing extra clutter in the footwells. Thanks for watching. That wraps up our list of the 18 genius car organizers on Amazon. From ceiling nets and headrest holders to trunk organizers, gap fillers, and backseat pockets that turn your ride into a tidy, efficient, clutter-free space. If you're tired of messy trunks, lost items, scattered toys, or constant digging and ready to upgrade your car to next-level organization and convenience, one of these is calling your name. Let us know in the comments which of these genius car organizers you'd grab first, or if you've already tried one, share how it's changed your daily drive and reduced the chaos. And don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss more car tips, accessory reviews, and organization buying guides. Check the description below for the latest prices, deals, and direct Amazon links before anything sells out or prices change. Keep your ride clean, organized, and stress-free all year long.